Can you take cough and cold remedies while you are breastfeeding? It's okay to use some cough and cold remedies while you are breastfeeding, but you need to be cautious. It's fine to use throat lozenges. It's also fine to use some decongestant nose spray, but always check with a pharmacist or GP first before using a spray. But other cold and cough remedies you can buy in a pharmacy or supermarket may not be suitable. How to treat a cold yourself? Most cold will get better on their own. To help ease symptoms, rest and sleep, keep warm, drink plenty of fluids, gargle salt water to soothe a sore throat. Get more advice on your cold. How to treat a cold yourself. Most cough go away on their own within 3 weeks. In the meantime, you should rest as much as possible. Drink plenty of fluids. Drink hot honey and lemon. Get more advice on cough if you want to take a cough or cold remedy. If you do want to take a cough or cold remedy, speak to a pharmacist first. Let them know you are breastfeeding. Cough and cold remedies usually contain more than one ingredient. Some of them may not be safe while you are breastfeeding. You need to make sure that each ingredient is safe. Some cough and cold remedies contain paracetamol, which is safe to take while you are breastfeeding. But if you take those as well as paracetamol tablet or capsules, you may go over the recommended dose. Always stick to the recommended dose. Check the patient information leaflet that come with medicines or read the information on the packet.